Welcome to Vlogtober.
Welcome to Vlogtober.
Welcome to Vlogtober, where we're going to give y'all a daily vlog for at least the next 7 days to give y'all insight into what we do when we're on vacation. Alright, just finished up work for the day. Heading home to get on the road. I'm going to make a quick stop here at the old Camping World to get us a valve for our sewer system. So this is actually the same Camping World that we bought our camper from. Doesn't look like they're having any kind of shortage of campers. This is Camping World, Woodstock, Georgia, by the way. So this is where the valve goes. So I'm replacing that old one, and it's kind of nasty too. Before we head out, I'm gonna replace a part in the truck. It's actually this little relay here. It's for the trailer brake system. I'm getting a warning light saying service trailer brake system. The brakes are still working, but it's kind of annoying. So I gotta go get under that spare tire and replace this relay. So go ahead and drop that spare tire. So one of the cool things about the internet is that not everything you read is true. And I just found that out. So my truck doesn't have the relay under the spare tire. I'm not sure if it has it somewhere else. Good news is I also bought a switch just in case I ran into this issue. The issue I didn't foresee is my trim piece is different. So what I did is I actually ripped this switch open, replaced the guts in this switch with the ones that were in this one. So we'll see if that fixes the problem. So far, so good. All right, we are just about ready to go. Slides in. Just gotta pull up our stabilizer and hook up the truck, and we should be good to go.
So we're just getting on the road. No hiccups so far?
No hiccups. I think we're okay. It's always scary starting going after you have gone in
A while.
a month or two.
And our driveway is like sketchy.
It is very sketchy.
Very sketchy.
We need to record it.
Where are we headed, Charlie?
Cracker Barrel.
Cracker Barrel.
What a destination.
Woohoo!
And then Mammoth Cave.
So we were going to stay in a harvest post tonight. However, where we're trying to head to, there's a really limited amount, and the one that we wanted to go to was full. So
Yeah.
we're going to be Cracker Barreling it.
Okay, so babe, your setup here kind of looks like you're flying an airplane. Can you explain some of these gadgets and gadgets?
Sure. So, I mean, obviously we've got our GPS that's running from the RV Life Suite on the phone, and I don't have a phone mount, which
Sucks.
really sucks right now. But basically, this RV GPS, you put in the size of your rig, and it actually gives you a route based on how big your rig is. And I think it's like $50 a year.
That's
for
pretty
it,
nice.
But it's pretty cool.
I kind of like that. Then we don't have to worry about those low-hanging bridges and
Exactly, the can opener bridges or whatever.
yeah, that.
Yeah. So, I'm gonna California roll this turn a little bit.
Ah, okay. That works.
Alright, so then up here we've got our Furion Vision S, I believe it's called, or something like that. Vision 5, I don't remember exactly, but it's our rear view camera, and it's set up to where it's always on when the lights are on, so I can see behind us. So if there's someone tailgating us or something, I can slow down and let them pass, which is kind of nice. But it's also great, of course, for
Backing up
into a spot. And then this is our tire minder over here. It basically gives us tire pressure as well as temperature on our tires. Right now I have sensors only on the 4RV tires, but I can actually get them for my truck as well, because my truck does not have a built-in TPMS in it.
Is that because it's
weird.
an old truck?
It's not an old truck, it's a 2015.
Old.
But tire pressure monitoring systems are required in all vehicles. I want to say it was beyond 2008, if I remember it. I don't know, maybe 2010, I can't remember. However, trucks of this size, it is an option. So, because I guess they could be meant for work, and your tire pressures vary and all that. So they don't actually, the government does not require trucks of this size to have it, and this truck does not have it.
Gotcha. So what's that little doodad on the top of the windshield there?
That, actually, I don't even know if it's on. I think it is, but that is our dash cam. Figured it'd be a good idea to have one of those in the event of an accident or something. Pulling something this big, you're probably gonna get blamed for it. So having something like that could prevent some issues with insurance and whatnot in the future, hopefully.
Sounds good. I think we're covered. Is that everything?
I think so, yeah.
Alright, so we're doing a national park quiz on my phone. You know, we love trivia. Which?
I don't know if they know that. Oh yeah, they do
They
know that
do
because
know
of your Instagram.
Duh!
My bad.
If you're not following us on Instagram, you should. We do trivia every day. Alright, first question. Which was the United States' first national park?
Yellowstone.
I didn't even get the options and she knows. You see how brilliant this child is? Which is the largest national park? Do you want options?
Yes.
Okay.
No,
You don't want options?
I don't. Great Smoky Mountains.
That is not the largest national park. Can I give you options?
Dang it, I want options. All right, I was trying to look smart like Charlie, okay?
Alright, so Redwood National Park,
No,
Yellystone National Park,
maybe.
Great Smoky Mountain National Park,
That would have been my guess.
darn, Wrangell St. Ellis
No.
National Park in Alaska.
Oh, in Alaska, yes, that's the one. It's Alaska. They have nothing out there
But national park.
but national parks.
Okay. Well,
Was that it?
yeah, so.
Okay.
Which of these national parks contains a feature formed by the Colorado River?
The Grand Canyon.
Yeah, Grand Canyon.
Now we're so smart. You don't even need the options. I can't
That
believe
one's
it.
kind of easy.
Which of these national parks is sometimes called the salamander capital of the world?
Great Smoky Mountains.
Shenandoah.
Oh no, you're so wrong. It is the child. She knows
Wait, what?
everything. It's
Oh,
Great
it
Smoky
is.
Mountains.
It is.
I
You're
have
right.
a book on salamanders in the
You're
Great
right.
Smoky
You're right.
Mountains.
You're right. You're such a nerd.
Thank you. I'm
welcome.
smarter than you on this.
Bam, bam. Bryce Canyon National Park is famous for which type of strange rock formation?
Ooh, I'm totally gonna get this.
You want options?
Yes.
Options just be safe.
Okay. Hoodoos, half domes, mesas, quartz.
Sorry, I didn't understand a word that you said there.
Okay, well, it's just different types of rock formation.
Hoodoo.
Daddy, it's hoodoos.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes. I'll have to
I've been there.
ship. That's why he got it. Cheater!
It was brief because it was really freaking cold, and I'm pretty sure it was raining, and it
Wait,
was
you were cold?
absolutely miserable.
You were.
Listen, if you go to Bryce Canyon at the wrong time,
It's cold.
it's freezing because it's so windy there, and if it's like, I forgot what the temperature was, but I guess it was in the mid 30s,
Yeah.
if I remember right. But the wind is insane, so you're just getting whipped by the wind, so it was not fun. We went in November. I mean, it was fun, it was cool, it was pretty, but it was brief.
Gotcha. Well, anyway, it's hoodoos.
So, mini crisis averted. We're rolling down the road, and this guy comes pulling up next to us on our left, right outside my window, and is like pointing at the back. And I'm like, oh great, what's this gonna be? And I look in my mirror, and our cargo bay door is wide open, rolling down the road, sticking out way into the other lane, of course.
Yeah. Well, rolling down the interstate.
Oh yeah, going down the interstate, going 65, 70 miles an hour, and our door's wide open. So I'm like, oh great, I'm sure we lost our water hose, all of our water connections are in that section. So I don't think we lost anything, but we'll find out tonight
when we get to Cracker Barrel
in an hour and a half or two.
Yeah, fun stuff.
Maybe 3.
How do you keep kids busy in the car? Toddler kids, that is. Water, wow. It's by Melissa and Doug. Look how happy they are. As for the big kids, a phone. Guess what?
We're in traffic.
Chattanooga traffic.
I hate. No.
Not yet.
No, it is not yay. Chattanooga traffic sucks.
It's the worst.
Seriously, like, Atlanta traffic is not fun by any means, but just something about Chattanooga traffic drives me crazy.
So babe, how you doing?
It has been an hour and we are still in Chattanooga.
I'm also getting ready to eat at Cracker Barrel. I'm kind of hungry.
You and me both, but we apparently still have 2 hours to go to our goal Cracker Barrel. However, we may be cutting that short.
On another note, Elsa down here is happy as can be.
So we finally made it through Chattanooga traffic, up and over the little mountain there at Monteagle, and unfortunately we have to cut our trip a little short tonight. We're not going to make it all the way to Murfreesboro. We're going to Manchester at a Cracker Barrel there. I'm freaking hungry and we're losing light, so hopefully we get there in the next 20 minutes like it says we will.
Kids are starving.
Kids are starving. Kids are pissed. I'm pissed. Mommy's pissed.
We're done.
We're done for today.
We hate Chattanooga, officially.
No, we love Chattanooga. We hate Chattanooga traffic.
You can't have one without the other, unfortunately.
That is true. I hate driving through Chattanooga.
But at least we're almost done.
Yes. All right, let's go eat.
Okay.
Sound good?
Yes. Bye.
So Cracker Barrel is never going to have tasted so good. We finally arrived and we got set up and we're about to pound some Cracker Barrel. So if y'all like that video, stay tuned. We've got more videos coming over the next week.